we are here on Dwarka Expressway, and due to heavy rainfall, the NH8 is fully jammed due to traffic, and we and our colleagues are going toward Jaipur for our weekly off holiday vacation. Okay, so we are near to reach on Dwarka Expressway. You can see it. What the weather is too fine. Yeah, my companion Mr. Dot Dot is also enjoying weather very nicely. Okay, with their statement, tell me. Okay. Okay. So finally we reach on the service road of Dwarka Expressway. Then after some kilometers we will move on to main expressway, which is what gifted by Nitin Gadkari sir to our general public. Okay. That is a very nice gift from this NDA government. Okay. We will stay tuned. We will connect you. Okay.